2020 to 2024 Chevy Equinox USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2022 Chevy Equinox. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB. It's got the aux port, a charger port. You're going to need a tool like this. And then if you don't have that, you could use a flathead or something, but you're probably going to scratch up your inside a lot with something like that. But a plastic pry bar tool, you're going to come in here and push it in between the USB port and the center console. You're just going to kind of push it and then work it around the sides, and then it should pop out. You could use a little hook side on this, the plastic pry bar, so you don't scratch your interior. Now you get this out, gently pull it out. There's a wire harness. Thankfully the wire harness is a little long. You can pull it out a little bit, and there's going to be two connectors. They both have thumb tabs you push down, and then you pull the connector backwards. The gray one is kind of stubborn, but you get it out there. And then this one with the red part, you have to hit the red part up. It's like a lock, so you put the red part up first, and then you can push the thumb tab and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull them by the wires because you'll break the wires. Once you get that off, you got your new port right here. On the port itself, there's a part number. Here it is right here. And I will link a new one. They sell these on Amazon. I looked it up and matched up the part number. You could buy one on Amazon. I'll link it below with the other tools as well. When we put this back on, we're just going to put the connectors back in. The gray connector has like a connector within a connector, so be patient with that one. Make sure it goes in good. And then the black and red one, push the black part in first, and then the red one last. The red one is the lock, so you don't want to push that in until last. Once you get that in, you want to gently just kind of line this up and push this in place like this. It should clip into place, and then you're good to go. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.